Welcome my friends, welcome to this channel. Today I have something very powerful to show you how to kill gold almost every other day, okay? And this can be done on your mobile. As you can see, this is an Android that I'm using. All I did was to download this TradingView app, install it, and then open it, set it up. I'm going to show you how to set up the indicator, and then you can just do on your mobile exactly that I'm going to show you on the PC. Okay, so let's come here. What you are supposed to do, let me start by showing you how to set up the indicator. Those who are new, I usually forget to do that. So all you do on TradingView, you go to indicators. This is the free version of TradingView. No need to pay for anything. And then on the search box, just type sessions, and then just click the first one is sessions in square brackets Lux Algo. After clicking, you have to go to the settings of the indicator, scroll to the bottom, remove the daily divider. You are going to find a tick there. Remove that tick, and then you have to remove the tick on Sydney, remove the tick on Tokyo, leave London, leave New York, and then press OK. It's then going to appear like this. Once you have done this, my friends, remember my entry rules are very simple. Okay, all you do is mark the first candle of the New York session, and then if price closes below that in a full candle, this is a scalping strategy. You're supposed to be in and out. Okay, if price closes below, you just sell. You might even go in with quite a big lot size, and then just that first spike, take your profits and go. If for some reason you don't make it here, definitely showcase you are going to make it at the end of the London. Okay, so you do the same thing. You mark the last candle of the London session. I am on 5 minutes time frame. This is gold. You just mark the last candle of the London session. If price closes below, like here, price closed below, so you were supposed to sell here, and then you might even double your risk. If you lose here, you might double your risk here, and then just that short spike into profits, take your profits and go. This is scalping. It works most of the time. Let me just show you more examples. I've already done a whole lot of backtesting. You're going to see. Okay, so this was today. Okay, so today it didn't work at the opening of the New York session. Okay, remember, you highlight the first candle. What happened is that price closed below, so here you would have sold. You put your stop loss just above this key level, this rectangle, and then it takes you out, and then you wait for the London session to end, and then you mark the last candle of the London session right here. Price clearly closed below there, so you would have sold, double risk, and then just that first spike, you are in deep profits. You take your profits, you are done for the day. Okay, let's look at the day before, which is yesterday. Okay, yesterday you would have made it on your first attempt. Once you make it on your first attempt, don't bother for the closing of the London. In fact, your second attempt is supposed to be a recovery strategy if you have lost on your first attempt. So if you make it on the first attempt, don't do it on the second attempt. Just wait for the next day. Okay, so right here you can see that you would have marked the first candle of the New York, price closed above, you buy, and then just that spike into profits, you take your profits, you get away. We call it scalping. Okay, let's take more and more examples. so that you can be convinced, okay? This was the first attempt on the opening of the New York, so no need to even check your second attempt, okay? So here, you would have made it on your first attempt. Let me show you here what happened, okay? A few things to learn from here. So that was the first candle of the New York session, that red candle. And then see that there was this week, okay? You don't focus on that. You wait for a full candle to close. So that was there where there is an arrow. So right there, after that candle closed, you would have placed your buy trades, and then you put your stop loss just below that wick, okay? And then that first spike into profits, don't hold for too long. Somewhere there, you jump out, okay? And then you are done for the day. Let's check for another one, okay? Rush now, okay? First attempt, you would have made it, okay? We looked at this place, okay? So right here, you would have made it on the first attempt, so no need to even focus on this one. Okay, let's look at another one. See, all these days, as I'm scrolling back, you would have been making money. So right here, first attempt, you would have made it, okay? Right here, you would have made it on the second attempt. If you see a cross and a tick, it means you would have lost on the first attempt and then made it on the second attempt, okay? So even here, you would have made it on the second attempt. Okay, I'm rushing because I already did the backtesting. Here you can see that price started by closing there above, so you would have been taken out, and then second attempt you would have entered a sell trade there, and then spike into profits, you recover your losses, make profit, you get out, okay? You get out. Here you would have made it on your first attempt, easy. Here it looks a bit tricky. Let me see what happened. Second attempt, because you would have bought here, okay? Price pulled back a bit but then went up, so somewhere there, seeing those rejections, you would have jumped out, okay? Or maybe there you would have jumped out, but second attempt you would have made it, okay? I want to get to the place where you would have lost on both places, so that you know that it's not 100% strategies. Here, first attempt, you would have made it. Here, first attempt, you would have made it. Okay, here is the place. Okay, in fact, it's 2 days following each other. You would have lost here, and you would have lost even here. Now, this is to remind you that there's really no 100% strategy. So you don't have to be too greedy. Still manage your risk. You can even have a daily budget. If you tell yourself that every day I'm risking $100, that's it. Or $20 if it's a small account. Okay, but remember, if it's $20, you have to trade it from a cent account. Okay, you can check the cent account video in my channel. So let's check more days. So even here, you would have lost, okay? This is the place where I wanted to get to. You would have lost on this day and then on this day. It doesn't mean that this strategy doesn't work. It's just Forex. For every strategy, they are losing days and sometimes they are losing weeks, okay? So this is possible, but it was the only place where I found that you would have lost in my backtesting. I don't know what is happening with my internet. I'll resume once it's back. Okay, it's back. I want to show you more examples. Okay, yes, we were here. So here you would have made it on your first attempt. Okay, here, first attempt, oh, this is second attempt. Okay. Sorry for my internet. Okay, but this is second attempt. Okay, second attempt. And then this is first attempt. Okay, that is first attempt. Okay, this is this the second attempt? You would have made it. Okay, let me not waste your time, traders. Time is precious. You'll do your backtesting for yourself. For me, I already did. It's just that my internet is misbehaving. So all these days you would have winning. It's only those 2 days that you saw that are following each other where you would have lost. Just try it out. It works, really works. Okay, thank you for watching.